Hello PSIR students. If your marks are stagnant around 230 or 240s, then this video is for you. We at LevelUp IAS are going to organize a free 4-day answer writing workshop based on PYQs in both online as well as offline mode. In this workshop, we shall not only discuss the questions but also live write answers in the class of the past 3 years, that is 2021, 2022 and 2023 questions. In this workshop, we shall discuss all the aspects of answer writing, like how to understand the demand of the question, structuring the answer, writing a good answer with a very limited content, improving the introduction as well as the conclusion, and also the presentation part of our answer. But there is one catch. You will have to register for this event, but the registration is absolutely free. Without registration, you will not be able to attend this session whether in the online or the offline mode. The link for the registration has been provided in the description, so go and please register it. And yes, I do have one request for you. Whatever doubts you have regarding answer writing, please mention that in the comment section. That will help me in planning the workshop as per your demands. So, hope to see you in the workshop, which will be conducted during 26th, 27th, 28th and 29th of August 2024. That's all. Thank you very much.